Si Austin, be. Talk to, Austin.
Why your garbage in the Canada than in my country? 30 40 containers. English mo yun?
100.
Ay,
Oh, 50. That means it's sopa yun.
Sa akin, nakakabit.
hindi.
Nagkamali.
Hindi din yung dalawang bata.
Makahawak ko.
What do you feel like about my body? What do you feel like about my body? I don't know.
You want burger?
7.
Hamburger?
Give me one burger.
Sabi niya sa nanay ni Austin. Why you know my
What do you
name?
know about me? What do you know about me?
Ano ba sasabihin?
This is my baby. Name?
Wait, how do you know about me?
Eh, ngayon lang nag...
Ay, baby.
Magaling na tumakbo to.